And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, it was a lot of flooding out there. Do we know how much rain they got out there?
They got an incredible amount. I've seen it bounce 20 inches or so in less than 24 hours. So, and it was widespread heavy rain like that all kind of flowed down right into the Guadalupe Basin there and created that problem that they had out in that area. As for East Texas, we are seeing some rain in the southern part of the area that we are going to be watching through the afternoon, but nothing severe and nothing exceptionally heavy. 86 degrees right now. We have a south-southwest wind at 15 miles per hour, and our relative humidity reads 65%. These are the temperatures now. They are warming up. We are in the 80s and we'll be into the 90s here within the next couple of hours as we get over into the afternoon. Of course, the dew points remain in the 70s because of the south winds continue to flow that moisture northward into the area. So our heat index is going to be not in the danger level today, but next week it does look like that could be changing. Forecast highs today say we'll be anywhere from around 92 degrees in some parts of deep East Texas to around 96 degrees along the interstate there at Longview. So we do have plenty of more heat coming in this afternoon. This is what Futurecast shows. Now it is beginning to paint in a shower just to the south of Lufkin at this hour, and that is, of course, this is the model. That's what it's predicting. It's not actual radar, but you can see that it is east of Lufkin and Nacogdoches there by noontime today. And as we go further into the afternoon, we'll start to see those cells move in from deep East Texas, and some of those on small scale could be producing some brief heavy downpours as they move northward through deep East Texas and up toward the interstate. 6 o'clock this afternoon, we have a shower near Tyler indicated by the model, and some of those try to cross I-20, but as we lose daytime heating about that time, those showers and thunderstorms will be dissipating. Tropics remain pretty quiet, nothing expected to develop there within the next 7 days, so no problems there, but we'll be keeping up with that Saharan dust that, as you can see, has returned to East Texas as well as Louisiana and some of the other surrounding states. So just a little irritant there in the atmosphere. Normal high 94 for this time of year, and it looks like we'll be going above that as we get past the weekend. That 97, 98, 99 next week could produce some heat advisories for the East Texas area, at least make those necessary, so it's likely that's what we would be seeing. 7-day forecast, scattered storms over the weekend. A little better chance of that both Saturday and Sunday. We'll get sunshine next week with those high temperatures into the upper 90s and the heat index around 105 or higher. So that would prompt the heat advisories to be issued. So keep that in mind and keep staying cool around the area. You can check that forecast at ketk.com.
John, thank you. And if you're in East Texas,